Yo, what's good everyone, Reduct here at it with a tutorial. This is actually my first ever tutorial, so this is pretty much a voice reveal. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys how to apply motion blur into any video without using Adobe After Effects, Premiere Pro, or any fancy software. All you need is this app and you're pretty much good to go. To be able to download this app, you need to click the first link in the description box below. So I'm going to copy paste that link because the video isn't up yet. I can't look at the description right now. Anyway, bam. And it should start installing right away. So here it is, blurInstaller.exe, and as soon as it's finished, just open it up. And then it should show this. You don't really need to click these, just keep on pressing next, next, install. Should be pretty fast. It already finished after like 10 seconds. Now let's open up the app, alright? Here it is. Waiting for input, drag a video onto this window. So basically, you just want to drag the clip that you want to put motion blur in to this Technos Blur app, alright? So you simply just have to find that location and then drag it on to the app. And it might say config file not found. Just continue the render. And there you go, it should start rendering. You just have to wait for a little bit. It's actually pretty fast. You can see the time here on like what part of the video it's on. But let's stop for now. You can make your motion blur look much better if you change the config files. Alright, so this should be the default config file. And I put my blur settings in the description box below, so you can just copy paste that. And once again, I'm just going to copy paste this because obviously I can't check the description right now. Alright, so I'm going to Control A, then copy paste. You can see here it changed some values over here and it just looks much better. So now we can actually start rendering, okay? So all you have to do is press File and Save, or Control S, whatever you want. You can close this now. Let's just delete the stuff that we rendered earlier because this is gonna look much better than that. So now that we have the blur config file, it's not gonna say config file not found. Let's open up blur again and we'll drag our video there. There we go, it should start automatically because there's already a config file. Now let's just wait for this to finish, so I'll see you guys in a few minutes. After it's done, it should say finished render queue waiting for input. You can actually just close it right now and go to the file location where you drag the clip. It should have another video but blur at the end, okay? So if you see this, you're pretty much done. Here it is with the motion blur and without the motion blur.
Oh my gosh. Flip it.
And there it is. That's how you apply motion blur to any video without a fancy software. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this helped you out, please like the video or even subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.